Daddy, guess what? We're on the boat. See? We're moving across the water, all the way across the lake. Mommy, where are we? We're in downtown Disney. Isn't that great? Oh yeah, that's where we see that white tent over there. That's where we went yesterday. The circus. They had lots of acrobats and they did the trapeze and you know. And then they did like the trampoline stuff and they did flips in the air and it was so cool. Yeah. Hello, Baba. Baba's taking a video too, I think. That's exactly where we went. That big white tent. So we're in downtown Disney, and I'll take another video soon.